guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically pixelate someone's face on a CapCut PC, so you don't have to use masks or anything like that. Go to the library or use any video that you want. I'm just going to search for some here, and let me find one. Just scroll down and down and down. Okay. Let's say, for instance, maybe this video is kind of unclear, so I'm gonna use some other video like this one. Let's say you want to blur out her face or pixelate it. For instance, like she's in the background and I just want to pixelate it, or maybe like this one would work, but kind of like her hair is covering her face, so I don't think it would. What about this one? Okay, let's see if this one will work. So you're just going to go to effects and you're going to go to body effects instead of effects. And as you can see under trending, they have face mosaic. You're going to select that and you're going to add it to your videos. Unfortunately for this one, it only applies to like one person, as you can tell. So just apply it to one where there's only like one face. I don't know if, let me find that one. If you can add it again, for instance, once you've created it into a compound clip, let's see if we can actually do that. What if we added another one? Oh yeah, we can add like another one on top, but it does like move to like other faces, and sometimes like it doesn't detect it. So that's pretty much it, really. You can also edit the range here and the size. I wish they did it for like more than just one person, so it's easier. For instance, you have like videos in public and you like want to like blur everybody's faces but yours. It would be very helpful. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!